Hey guys, it's Haleycreates. There's literally like an airplane right outside my window. So rude. Hold on. So, got my snowball hooked up, so if the volume turns out terrible, I got backup. Just saying.
Okay, that's done. Anyways, so.
Bruh. Hey guys, it's Haleycreates, and today I am doing a Pretty Little Thing unboxing and review, and I am so excited. I've literally been sitting here waiting for like 2 weeks now, and I ordered it and I was like so freaking pumped, and then it took forever to get here, and I've just been waiting all day because it told me that it was going to come today, and they brought it all late, like. But I'm super grateful because it's here. Literally my reaction, I had just gotten home, and my reaction when like they rang the doorbell, I literally like, I
jumped up and was like, and I like floated.
I floated, basically. I floated all the way to the door from my room, and now I'm here, and I have it. And everything behind me is pink in honor of little pretty thing. Pretty little thing. So, let's get on with it. Let's start opening it up. The packaging is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. It is so adorable. I'm like in love with it. So that's the packaging. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. So basically it's light pink and it has pink unicorns with angel wings. I honestly, do unicorns have wings regularly? I don't think unicorns have wings. So they put angel wings on the unicorn, and that's so cute. Just saying. So it says follow us on Instagram at Prettylittlething. I was already watching you live like 3 minutes ago, so I'm already following you. Anyways, it is so cute. Their font is adorable. Like, it's so cute. And it's like a little bag. Like, I want to keep it. Okay, I'm done obsessing. I'm so nervous, like what if it doesn't fit? So basically, backstory, I bought a bathing suit, and it is the, well no, I don't want to give it away, but I'm really nervous because I don't know if it's going to fit me, like, I don't know. They said it runs big, and like, I don't know if it's going to fit, but let's open it up. Using another pair of scissors that I probably stole from elementary school. I think it was Miss Marshall's class. Let's see. Definitely stole them. I'm the only person who hates cutting like really nice packaging or like throwing it away. Like, I still have some of the nicest like Sephora and Victoria's Secret bags ever because they're so nice. Like, who can just throw them away? Such a waste. And they're so cute. I'm gonna do this first, just like when you're opening presents and your parents are like, do the card, do the card, do the card. Unless like there's candy or something and then you gotta look at that. But I'm gonna do the card first from Pretty Little Thing. Order number 5. Whoa. The order number is literally like so close to my school ID number. It's so weird. It was made for me. Looks like everything's here. Okay, cool. So let's open it up. So this is the first thing that I grabbed. This is the bottoms, and maybe it'll be a try-on haul, I don't know. Because if it doesn't fit, then it'll just be awkward. But not promising a try-on haul, but it might be. Also, is that like weird? Like if I'm underage? I don't know. Anyways. Oh my god, this is so cute. I really hope it fits. I am hoping it fits. I am hoping. Okay. Honestly, I have no idea how to work this. Ah, that's so funny. Okay. So, these are the bathing suit bottoms. They are so cute. These are adorable. So, these are the bathing suit bottoms. They go up on your hips, and they're kind of high-waisted. And they're adorable. So, they say Pretty Little Thing across the straps. And, yeah, they're black, high-waisted. And they're really cute. So the next thing that I have is It's just the perks of living next to an airport. Okay. So the next thing I have is this little, well, they're technically underwear, but the reason I got them, you guys probably can't even hear me. Okay. The reason I got these was because I saw them like hiked up in so many pictures on the website, and I thought that you had to get the pants to get the little like thing. Like, it looks so cute. So basically, like, if I'm wearing my camo pants, then I can wear these, and then, oh yeah, these are definitely for this purpose, because these are gigantic. Like, this is like, girl, yeah. So this is definitely for the purpose of wearing underpants, like literally just for the waistband. So basically, if I wear these, then they'll show up on my waistline, and it'll look really cute with like a white crop top, like literally any crop top, but it'll look really cute showing underneath my pants. And it says Pretty Little Thing, and they're just adorable. This next thing is the bikini, and it is so cute. I really hope it fits. Just saying, I really hope it fits. So it's really cute, and it is black, and it's the same as the bottoms, kind of like the same design, and it says Pretty Little Thing. And yeah, it's just really pretty. It's like a nice, good black and white design, not too crazy. And yeah, it's got like straps and stuff. I'm like super nervous to try these on right now. So I will be back, and I'm going to try them on real quick. Obviously, I am not exactly beach body ready, and I don't know. So we will see. I really like how it fits personally, like as far as the quality and all of that. I really like the straps and stuff. I think I could lose a few pounds on my hips and it would look a little bit better, but we'll see. I will definitely have to shave everywhere to wear this. Just a note, I will definitely have to tan for this. Just a note, because you know, who gets tan hips? Like, how do you even tan your hips? So, gonna have to put some tanner on. But I really like the bathing suit, and I'm excited to wear this type of bathing suit because I haven't really worn one like this. So, I don't know, it's new for me. So, we'll see. I'm like looking down, and like literally the pole from my tripod is like out, and I didn't even notice, so just FYI, in case you see me looking down. But yeah, I'm super excited with how this looks, and I'm really excited to maybe take some pictures on Instagram for it. So if you want to see pictures of it on my Instagram, the link is down below, and maybe I'll post some pictures in it. And yeah, I'm really excited to wear this summer, and I'm really excited to make more videos reviewing stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!